Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Philips UpBeat Bluetooth wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. You might be getting sound out of only the left ear or only the right ear, or maybe they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, or they're connecting to the wrong device. Any connectivity or troubleshooting issues can be dealt with very often with a hard reset, and this is very easy to do. Now, once you do this, you will need to repair it with your device, but if you're ready to proceed, we can go ahead and do it. The first thing to do is to just go on and whatever devices you use it on, turn the Bluetooth off and have them forget these earbuds as a paired device. Then, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and put the earbuds inside their case, leaving the lid open. And for there, we're going to come in and we're going to go and press the multifunction button on the back of both of the earbuds simultaneously, and we're going to hold it for at least 5 seconds. Once we do that, we will stop doing that, close the case, open the case, take the earbuds out, and you will notice the earbuds will automatically turn on and go into a pairing mode where they can be set up again.